Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this star bag. I use 4.5 millimeters hook and 4 millimeters yarn. This is acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie it. Make chains, yarn over, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to first this chain, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, a stitch first round in this chain. 1 2 3 4 5. Hide this yarn under stitches. 6 7 8 9 10 11 double crochet. With these chains we have 12 stitches in first round. Like this I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Insert your hook in top of this first chains, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to this hole, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2, go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2, in here, 1, go to same stitch, 2, make 2 double crochet in each stitch. For this row, make 2 double crochet in last stitch, 1 2, go to top of first chains, a slip stitch. Now we have 24 stitches in total is this in second round. Make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to this hole, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 2 3 chains in here, go to next stitch, in this stitch pull up yarn, pull through, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, go to next stitch in here, pull through. Now we have 1 2 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 1 2 3 chains, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, 1 2 3 chains, and continue for this round. I make this stitch, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is last cluster stitch. 1 2 3. Go to top of these chains, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, and go to this hole. Make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same space, 1 2 3. I made first corner. Go to next space, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Go to next space, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. I made second corner. Go to next space, make 1 2 3 double crochet. Go to next space, make 1 2 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to here, 1 2 3 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 3 double crochet. I will make 1 2 3 fourth corner in here and continue. Make 3 double crochet in last space, go to top of first stitch, chains, a slip stitch, go to next stitch in here, a slip stitch, a slip stitch, and go to corner. Make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. I made first corner. Skip these stitches, go to 1 2 in second stitch of this group. In here, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, go to next corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, go to second stitch in here, skip this stitch, single crochet, and make next corner. Go to next corner, continue like this, 4 double crochet, 3 chains, 4 double crochet, I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 corners, and go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to top of this chains, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, go to top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, 2 double crochet, go to corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to top of this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this single crochet, go to top of first double crochet in here, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, skip this stitch, go to this stitch, 1 2 3, make corner in here, and continue like this for this round. I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 corners, skip this stitch, go to top of chains, slip stitch, in here make 1 2 3 chains, go to next stitch, like this, yarn over from back into this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull through, in next stitch, pull through, make back post double crochet in here, like this, go to corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, take a stitch, make back post double crochet in each stitch, make 1 double crochet, back post double crochet, go to corner, make corner 1 2 3, 1 2 3 chains, 1 2 3, and continue. make last stitch, go to top of first chains, slip stitch. I made these parts. Go to any corner like this. This is front of works like this. Pull up yarn, pull up yarn, take this yarn's back loop and take these yarns, make single crochet, take these loops and make single crochet, join these sides together, make single crochet, take back loops, one single crochet, and continue. In corners, join like this, take back loops of chains, make single crochet, take back loops, make single crochet, and repeat like this for all stitches. Go to last corner in here. I joined these sides, make single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, make 3 chains, yarn over, take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, take these yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, take these yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 2 3, pull up yarn, pull through, and continue like this.